What's the meaning of baize? Baize. Baize.
Baize. Baize. Baize is a type of durable woolen fabric, typically green in color, that is commonly used to cover billiard and card tables. This fabric is characterized by its close weave and napped surface, which provides it with a soft texture and resistance to wear and tear. In addition to its use in gaming, baize has been historically employed as a lining for furniture, as well as for clothing and footwear. The word baize is believed to have originated from the Latin word baideus, meaning chestnut-colored, and was likely first used in reference to a brownish-colored woolen cloth before evolving to describe the green variety we know today.